Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing here today, we're going to be changing the primary chain case lubricant on this 2022 Street Bob. Okay, so it's actually quite simple procedure, right? By the book, step number one is we got to start the bike and run it to a operating temperature. Go ahead. We're going to start. Shut her off. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna bring the bike upright, put it on our little stand, and once we are removing the derby cover, and this is a T25 tempered proof socket, and once we remove this, and then we're gonna be draining the oil. Okay, good to go. So we haven't drained this thing yet, and we still have good oil at the bottom. That's where it needs to be, like right there. Okay, we are good to go. So next, what we're gonna do here, we will drain the oil, and the oil drain plug is located right over here. And then we'll go and undo that now. Okay, so now we're gonna undo the drain bolt underneath here. Okay, perfect. Okay, let that drain right out. And I'll give you a rag right here. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be remove the O-ring. We're gonna put the new one in, and we are good to go. Okay. And then once that the oil stop draining, then we're gonna be good to go. We're just gonna put this back in, and we are looking good. It's still draining. Okay, so the oil is already drained right out. Good to go. We're gonna put the bolt back in, and so now we're tightening this up. Okay, torquing it to 19 foot-pounds. Okay, good to go. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour the oil right in here. We're pouring the oil in. Good to go. No other problem. We're just observing it. But by the book, this is where we want it. Okay. So just on the bottom where those 3 bolts are, right in here. This is how we want it. Okay. So we're just gonna observe this, where we are at. Yeah, keep on going. Okay, still a little bit more. We are good to go. We have the oil level right there where it's supposed to be, and it's good to go. And right at where the pressure plate is. Okay, so now after this, we're just gonna go and take this out and install the derby cover. So now we're gonna put the derby cover back on, and there's a sequence that you just have to follow. And the sequence in the book, it says the top bolt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna tighten this up. And the torque for this is 25 and 35 inch pounds. So this is all complete, all good to go. Derby cover is back on, so it's everything is up to the code. So if this video helped you out, please share and like, and see you on the next one. Thank you very much.